Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my butterfly inspired makeup tutorial and I'm really excited to do this. I've never done anything like this before, so I think this will be really fun. But my name is Gabrielle Nicole. For y'all that don't know me, please subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started. And so I did already do my foundation and some contour and some blush and my eyebrows. And so mostly I'm going to focus on the eyes, and then at the end we'll kind of put it all together with, you know, highlight, glitter, and lippy. So yeah. Okay, so I think that the easiest way for me to do this is going to be to start with my outline of my butterfly, and then I'm sure I'll have to come back in and redo it over, but just so I can have the shape and know where to put my eyeshadow instead of like doing all of my eyeshadow and then trying to get rid of it. So I'm just going to start with the shape. So they are not like super pretty right now, but this is just so I can know where to put my eyeshadow, and it'll be fixed later, so don't judge me. Okay, so I've just gone through with my NYX liner, and I just thickened my line up and kind of tried to clean it up a little bit. And so now I'm going to go through with the eyeshadow, and I feel like I should have done this a little higher, but it's okay. So that's what it looks like so far. I just basically went through and did some squiggles, and we will, you know, work it out as it comes. So I think the first thing I'm going to start with is the color Flirt in my Aphrodite palette that I got from Shop Hush. So it's this color right here, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. And if you go over your liner, it's okay because we're still going to fix it later on. But I just wanted to have the shape so I knew my space. Okay, so now I have applied the pink color. I am going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take like this orange shade right here called Queen. And I'm just going to use the same fluffy brush. And I'm just going to also apply this on my lid, but I'm going to try to keep this more up. So like in the areas that I made my little hoops, or my wings I should say. So I'm just kind of patting it in there. Okay, and then now that I've deposited the color on there, I'm just going to kind of blend it into the pink color a little bit. Okay, now that I have done that, I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take like this round, I don't know what you call this, but it's like a round kind of smudger brush, and I'm just going to take this yellow color that is right here, and I'm going to focus that also right in those little hoops, but higher. Okay, and back in with that crease brush and blend it out. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of that orange color from that Jaclyn Hill palette. Use this same brush just so I can kind of get that color back in there. And I'm just going to kind of put this a little bit more on the pink and just kind of blend it out a little. I'm just taking a little bit of that just so the transition looks a little nicer from colors. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through with some makeup remover and a Q-tip, and I'm just going to get this extra eyeshadow out of here. Okay, so now that I have gone through and done that, I'm going to go back through with my NYX liner, and I'm going to thicken this line up and just try to clean it up a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm just going to take my liner, and right where my little hoops are, I'm going to take some lines down from there, diagonally. Okay, so now I'm just going to take more eyeliner and I'm going to connect all of my lines together on my lash line. Okay, so now what I'm going to go through and do is use this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and this is in the shade Gunmetal, and I'm just going to be putting some spots to my butterfly. So right where it's thicker at, I'm going to be putting a few of them. Okay, and now I'm going to go back through with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this small little brush like this, and I'm going to take this purple color in here that's called Royalty. Oh my gosh, that orange color was called Creamsicle. I was reading it backwards, but oh, anyway. So I'm going to be taking this purple color called Royalty, and I'm just going to smudge this under my eye. Okay, and so now I'm going to go through with some NYX glitter primer, and I'm also going to be using this silver shade in here. This is like a 3-tier NYX thing. I got these, they came in like a package for like 10 bucks. Good deal. But, so I'm going to go through and use some of that. And I'm going to try something different. I normally don't do it like this, but I saw it in a makeup tutorial the other day, and I was like, you know, probably work a lot easier if I did it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the glitter primer to my brush, and then I'm just going to kind of spread it out on here a little bit, and I'm just using a brush like this, and that's with the primer on it, and then I'm going to dip it into my glitter, and I'm just going to kind of put that in my inner corner. Okay, and I'm also going to take just a little bit of this and put it right up here. Okay, and now that I am done with that, I am going to go through with my Moonchild Glow Kit, and I think I'm just going to grab, I'm going to get my brush, and I'm just using a brush like this. And I'm going to grab this pink heart color right here and use that as my highlight. This honestly is like my favorite highlighting palette. The only thing that does kind of suck is I feel like it doesn't last that long considering the price point. Like it's really like glittery and stuff, so like it looks really nice when it's first on, but then it kind of like falls out. But It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this LA Colors Chunky Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Wine. And it's a really pretty color. Let me get near. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go through with some setting spray, and I just always use the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through and put on some mascara, and of course I'm using my Tarte Tarteist mascara. Literally my favorite. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could go through and put some falsies on, but I don't really want to because I work too hard to hide the sun lashes. This is a lot harder than you think. If you can do this and you don't have issues, good for you. I'm so proud of you. But for me, this was really hard. Like, I struggle with wing liner, let alone making hoopty hoops on my face and trying to be a butterfly. But I feel like it turned out okay. So I'm sorry if my camera is a little shaky, but I just wanted to get up and closer to the light so you guys could really get the full effect of this look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope that you like it. And this is what it looks like. This was so much fun to do. Like, I cannot wait to do more makeup looks that are cool like this, because this was just like so fun. I love the way that it turned out. I'm actually impressed myself. I did better than I thought I would. So I'm really excited. I think next time if I do it, because I have hooded eyes, I'll probably bring it up a little bit more so you can see it when my eyes are open, but I'm really proud of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.